Hello and welcome to the 13th edition to the SDG series. This time we'll be focusing on the climate action side of things. So, we have 4 questions as listed here. First being, why did I choose it? What are the consequences? What can we do with it? And what is life? In this episode we'll be answering 3 out of those 4 questions. Now let's get started with the first one. So, why did I choose this topic? Well, convenience, of course. Convenience is the first thing that comes to mind to me when it comes to, anything, because I am a lazy person by nature. And in social and science, we are also studying climate change, which makes my job a lot easier. I'm sorry if this is not interesting, but it is my honest answer. Okay, let's say we take a rest and not do anything with the climate. What will happen? Well, if we continue living the way we do, the climate could change, and that is the obvious conclusion you come to. But what are the secondary effects that come with it? Well, let's start with the animal side of things. First off, the illness could become more prevalent in animals and wildlife alike. Lucky for us, we have a solution, medicine and stuff. But for the wildlife, they could possibly get very ill and go extinct. Which in turn means that the predator that relies on them as a food source could possibly die too. The second side of things will be the Earth itself. Like, the ice cap could melt, which would excels natural disaster and empowers them. There are many more problems and issues that comes with it, but there is a 2-minute time limit on this thing, so let's move on to the next point. Well, when you think of commenting climate action, the first thing you might think of is planting trees. Sure, that might be a viable method, but no one really leaves their house every single day and goes, hey, I gotta plant some trees before I go to work today, because that is ridiculous. But the methods I'm telling you is the things that you could change on a daily basis that would not change your schedule that much. Well, the thing I would recommend the most is changing the way of transportation, since it is the most impactful thing you can do as an individual. It's like doing 100 little things that can help the climate, but in one go. By this, I mean use public transportation or walk when you can, since this is by far the most effective method when it comes to doing things as an individual. But I will have to finish this video because the time limit, otherwise Kojima is going to come and kill me. But thanks for watching, goodbye.